Hello viewers, in this video I will discuss about how to give better accessible tourism service to disability tourists in Indonesia. Before we get into our discussion, let me introduce myself first. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Sabit Barani from the Visual Communication Design at Trilogy University. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, CRPD 2006, define disability as those who have long-term physical, mental, intellectual, or sensory impairments which, when combined with various barriers, may hinder their full of effective participation in society on an equal basis with others. The Law of Persons with Disabilities states that long-term is at least 6 months or is permanent. The Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, or CRPD, and the Law on Persons with Disabilities mention that there are 4 types of persons with disabilities, namely is physical disabilities, intellectual disabilities, mental disabilities, and sensory disabilities. Article number 4. Persons with physical disabilities experience impaired motor function, so that in carrying out activities, persons with physical disabilities need assistive devices that can help them overcome this impaired motor function. These assistive devices can be used directly by persons with disabilities to move or carry out activities, such as wheelchair or crutches, auxiliary crutch, forearm crutch. Assistive devices are also in the form of infrastructure designs that facilitate the mobility and activities of persons with physical disabilities, such as ramps, handrails, toilet handles, and sliding doors. Accessibility is measure of the ease of reaching a location or place. The ease of accessing or reaching a place or location is highly dependent on various factors that support the movement process. The Law of Persons with Disabilities defines accessibility as the convention provided for persons with disabilities in order to realize equal opportunities. Accessibility relates to universal design, which in CRPD 2006 is defined as the design of products, environments, programs, and services to be usable by all people, to the greatest extent possible without the need for adaptation or special design. Universal design does not exclude assistive devices for specific groups of people with disabilities when needed. Here are some things that need to be considered for the tourism or recreational place to provide facilities for people with disabilities, in order to provide convenience for the entire community, especially for the people with disabilities. For example, we try to apply recreation and tourism in the village because it is important to ensure the village have facilities that are accessible to all tourists, including people with disabilities. Creating an inclusive environment in recreation and tourism industry is essential to empowering people with disabilities to enjoy the same natural beauty and cultural experiences as everyone else. Accessible village offer equal opportunities for people with disabilities to fully participate in recreation and tourism activities, unleash their potential, and enrich their life. Here are the things that need to be considered. Number 1 is universal design for accessibility. Accessible village require the application of universal design, an approach that creates environment that can be used and enjoyed by everyone, regardless for ability. This involves design space and facilities that people with disabilities can easily navigate, such as walkways with ramps of facilities with handrails and tactical walkways. Universal design also take into account different sensory needs, such as adequate lighting, low glare surfaces, and clear sign. Number 2, in inclusive tourism. Inclusive tourism addresses the needs of travelers with disabilities. Travel providers must offer tours and activities that are accessible to people with disabilities. This may include providing hearing aids and wheelchairs, training staff or inclusive practices, and providing accessible information in a variety of formats. By accommodating the needs of travelers with disabilities, travel providers can expand their customer base and create positive, meaningful experience for everyone. Number 3 is accessible accommodation. Accommodation play a critical role in providing accessibility for travelers with disabilities. Hotels and guest houses should have room equipped with accessible amenities, such as adjustable beds, wider bathroom doors, and roll-in shower. Additionally, common areas such as lobbies and dining areas shall be easy for people with disabilities to navigate and access. By providing accessible accommodation, villages can ensure that all travelers feel comfortable and welcome. Number 4 is supportive transportation. Transportation plays a vital role in enabling people with disabilities to enjoy recreational and tourism activities. An accessible village should provide transportation services that allow people with disabilities to move easily throughout the village. This may include wheelchair accessible vehicle, shuttle services with ramps, and public transportation designed to accommodate people with disabilities. The presence of supportive transportation allows people with disabilities to explore the village and participate in activities they might otherwise miss. Based on the previous explanation, it is obligation to provide accessibility and facility for the people with disabilities, so that all people can experience recreation. That's all the video that I can convey. Hopefully they can provide the benefit of. Thank you for watching until the end. See you next time.